Okay, we're going to be boarding the Kyushu
横断特急. It's line across the Kyushu in the middle.
Yeah. So we've got a 3-hour journey on this
long trip. Yeah.
authentic looking train.
Yeah, probably view is very great.
Yeah, so it's supposed to have a great view going
Very
through the
nice.
mountains of
view.
Kyushu.
Yeah.
I suppose we'd better get on board, June, before
Yeah.
the train leaves us behind.
Yeah.
Oh, we've arrived at Beppu.
Yeah. we went across, came across from Kumamoto by this Kyushu Odan Tokyo Express.
Yeah, spent about 3.5 hours on this train.
Yeah, it's good.
That's a nice train though.
Nice train. Yeah.
Beautiful views, beautiful scenery.
Yeah, very beautiful. I was sleepy.
And I saw Aso exploding away nicely.
Wow, erupting.
Yeah, but I'm tired. I think I need.
We have to go to Onsen to relax from now.
I need an onsen to
Yeah,
relax.
it's Beppu, the famous onsen town.
Yes.
That's why we come. Yeah.
That's why. Yep. So June's going to find us a fabulous onsen.
Hopefully.
Relaxing. Found a 100 yen onsen, Japanese bath, very nice. And just in front of me I just noticed they've got a defibrillator. The water was quite hot, so just in case somebody overcooks, has a heart attack, they're prepared. Wow, this 100 yen onsen.
Wow, 100 yen, and a really nice onsen. That's why Beppu is so famous. It's really nice. It warms me up.
Yeah, at the current US exchange rates, it's under $1 to have a nice, authentic onsen, Japanese bath.
Yeah, on the hot springs.
Yeah.
Or it's a little bit small public bath, but still cheap.
Small and cozy, but
cozy. Yeah.
Yeah, but it wasn't too bad actually. The men's wasn't too bad. It's,
Okay. Yeah. It's still really nice.
Yeah,
Really like the water.
overcooked myself a bit, but had a wonderful, wonderful time.
Good.
Okay, time to go to the
we have to
hotel.
go to the hotel. Yeah.
Right, June's using the hand bath, public hand bath that's just outside the train station. And she's... Is it just for your hands? You're putting it over your face as well? Nope. And as with all volcanic hand baths, you've got to be careful when it erupts. So it's a bit cooler over there. Staying at the Plaza Hotel Plus one. Oh, pretty cool. Very convenient location, basically just outside the front of the train station. Okay, quick room tour for everyone. Very similar to the one yesterday, but the colours are a bit different. The bed sheet's a different colour. We've got a couple of robes there. A little bit of room there to put our bags. Wider bed, is it? Okay, you know best. Again, we've got 2 tables, 1 desk, 1 for the TV, fridge, some sandals there. All very similar for these business hotels. Let's put the light on. Go in, and this should be very similar. Yes, we've got the bathroom here, the showers, bit of body soap, toothbrush, toilet. Very similar to the previous ones. These bathrooms are very small, but they do the job.
And it is budget hotel, but it's same price as guest house dormitory, so
Yeah.
it's good to have your own space, you know.
Yeah, so you think that guest house or youth hostels can be the cheap option, but sometimes it's just to shop around, and you can get a budget hotel where it's a bit more secure. You've got your own room for security and privacy, so, and your own bathroom as well.
That's a good point.
Shoutengai.
Shoutengai, we call this
Yeah.
style Shoutengai.
So this is a Shoutengai.
Normally like 3 shops and
I just call it a dory, but we might be able to get something simple to eat here.
we call it Shoutengai.
Okay, we've found a place we just wanted something cheap and simple to eat, and this place does beef,
Chicken wing.
chicken wings,
Fried chicken wing.
fried chicken wings. What else do they do, June?
They do they say the draft beer for 300 yen.
Draft beer for 300, so that caught our attention. So we think we'll just go in here.
Yeah.
Something nice and simple,
Yeah.
maybe a 300 yen draft beer.
Yeah.
Done well, didn't we, June?
Yeah.
This place is packed.
お疲れでございます。
はい、ありがとうございます。
はい、ごゆっくり。
ありがとう。
ほら、使ってくださいね。はい、どうぞ。箸ありますね。
Our bears just turned up.
お疲れ。
So this place is going off, it's packed, so I think we've done quite well. If it's popular, it's good value. I was seduced by this beer here. It's called a Dynama large beer. 600 yen for a beer this size. Yeah, it's what you get in Germany, down in the Munich beer halls.
Yeah.
It's like a stone.
2.5 times more beer than normal.
Yeah, but looks good and, you know, good price. Yes.
はい、お願いします。Oh, movie! Got a movie!
Yeah, movie.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Good job!
Yeah, YouTube.
Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Oh, good job! Yay!
Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah. Yeah.
お気をつけてください。
Ah, arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, what a place. That's a bit of a fun place, this, I think, Jen. Everyone knows how to have a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like Kyushu thing or Kochi or Shikoku thing. We don't have that in Kanto, like
Yeah.
Nagano, Tokyo.
Yeah.
It's really good, really good.
Oh, it's great, you know. Yeah. Well, that's all for today.
Yeah, really nice dinner and a long day, and it was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a long day. It's like we spent all day on the trains.
Yeah, on the train, and we went quite a bit.
Yeah. But we had a lovely dinner and a really good atmosphere in that dinner.
Yes, yes.
And the dinner was a really good price.
Definitely.
So
Yeah.
it capped off a great long day.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's goodbye from us for today.
Yeah, and for tomorrow, Jenny.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
So if you want to get notified of all our adventures and experiences in Japan, click that subscribe button and we'll be keeping these things going.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Good night.